Hi everyone, this is your host Harsween from SRE India Realty. आज हम किसी प्रोजेक्ट की बात नहीं करेंगे। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे वर्ड की जो आपने जरूर सुना होगा अगर आप रियल एस्टेट में जरा भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं। ये वर्ड है रेरा। रेरा का फुल फॉर्म होता है रियल एस्टेट रेगुलेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट एक्ट। We are all aware that the Indian market has been extremely disorganized, and for the longest number of years there were no regulatory authorities as such in India. यही एक exact reason है why RERA came into being. The most basic objective of this act is to make investing in real estate safe, transparent and trustworthy. So in layman terms, if I were to explain to you, what TRAI is for telecom, SEBI is for stock exchange, RBI is for banking, RERA is for real estate. RERA applies to all under construction projects, residential or commercial. Under RERA, developers are required to register their project before they can start marketing it or selling it. It applies to entire India. This act was passed by the Government of India on 1st May 2016. It came into full force on 1st May 2017. अब ये टॉपिक बहुत ही वास्ट है, तो आज हम कवर करेंगे सिर्फ इसके कुछ बेसिक्स. Two big issues that the investor is worried about is the timely delivery of the project and मेरा पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है. और ये दोनों बातें एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं हैं बल्कि लिंक्ड हैं. रेरा के आने से ये बहुत हद तक सेफगार्ड कर दी गई हैं. Every under construction project is required to be registered under RERA. For the allotment of this number, there are several steps that must be fulfilled by a developer. Let's understand what are these steps. First of all, the land on which the project has to be built has to be 100% paid up. Secondly, the change of land use from agricultural to commercial or residential has been approved. Third thing is that the layout or the maps have been approved by DTCP. Defining the carpet area has been another big standardization for real estate industry. And now the investor or the home buyer exactly knows what is the area they are paying for. और अब बात आती है पैसे की. So 2016 से पहले डेवलपर्स पैसा ले लेते थे इन्वेस्टर्स और होम बायर्स से, और वही पैसा आगे अपने किसी और बिजनेस में लगा देते थे या इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में डाल देते थे या लग्जरीज पर उड़ा देते थे. और जो प्रोजेक्ट आपको कमिट किया गया था दैट वुड कीप गेटिंग डिलेड इनफाइनाइटली. To resolve the root cause of all delays and problems, RERA introduced an escrow account. Now 70% of the money collected by the developer is kept in this escrow account, and the money from this account cannot be withdrawn randomly. It is linked to the construction of the project for which the money has been collected. Also, there are audits at various stages before this money can be withdrawn. Hence, the money cannot be misused. Apart from the above, an equal penalty clause has also been introduced. Just as a customer is penalized when they default from the payment, similarly, a developer is also penalized when they delay their projects. Before giving the possession of the project, the occupancy certificate and the completion certificate is required to be fulfilled by the developer. This is mandatory. All these RERA guidelines are helpful and make investing in real estate safe. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and we'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative and educational videos.